Welcome to the Top Reviews channel. Today we will talk about the Home Doctor, practical medicine for every household. We have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy the Home Doctor. I also have some really important warnings, which I will talk about throughout the video. So pay close attention so that you don't make any mistakes when buying. The first thing you need to know about the Home Doctor is, be careful about the website you will buy, because the Home Doctor is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is the Home Doctor? This is the only physical book you need when medical help is not on the way. The Home Doctor, it's a unique guide for the layman that you can use to manage common health ailments at home when seeing a doctor or going to a hospital is off the table. And a massive 300-page medical guide for the layman, with color pictures and complete step-by-step instructions that will help you treat the most common ailments at home, or improve your odds while waiting for an ambulance to arrive. The Home Doctor shows you how to stockpile antibiotics without a prescription. Antibiotics can save your life, but they are notoriously hard to stockpile if you don't know about this ingenious method. It is completely legal and perfectly safe. The best part is you can also use it for other medicines that require a prescription, like insulin or Humira, for example. The book is written by Dr. Mabel Nieves, a frontline doctor from Venezuela who has saved hundreds of people through one of the worst crises in modern history. The ingenious methods she developed are found in this book and can be self-applied at home. That makes them extremely valuable if the medical system cannot be depended on, like during long-term blackouts, for example. This is just one of the many ingenious tidbits of medical knowledge you'll discover inside the Home Doctor. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have saved lives with the Home Doctor. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You'll have a full 60 days to try the Home Doctor, and if at any time during those 60 days you're not completely satisfied with this purchase, send an email. They will give you your money back. It's as simple as that. So I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy this amazing guide. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that the Home Doctor really helps a lot to improve your life. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.